Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am here to raise my voice for them. There is a lot of vulnerable people, elder people, there are kids, hopeless people and homeless people. And they need everything as a human being needed, like we need. There's a kids, they don't have mother and father, they don't have a cloth, they don't have a books, they don't have a food, they have nothing for a good life. So why I am here and why I'm talking in English? My voice is for them, for those they have money and they want to spend money and the right people. They want to help someone. So my voice is for all over the world, especially United Kingdom, America, Europe, Australia. If you guys want to give your charity, your donation to the right person, so one of my friend called Dr. Wahab Sawati is a honest person, and I'm pretty sure he will spend your single penny to the right people. He run the organization, the charity organization called Sawati Foundation. You guys can donate, you guys can give whatever you can. There will be the link, you will see his bank account. You can transfer money straight to the bank account. And he will provide his WhatsApp number, so you can ask every time, anytime, 24/7 for your donation. And inshallah, my Allah will be reward you for that.